Hello, so today we are going to solve question which is container with most water. So we have given an array, let's suppose A, which is height of the bars, and like this is the height of bar, and we have to find maximum water contained between any two bars of height of the given heights. So you can see in this diagram, so this is the water contained between first and 8th index, and if you see how much water it contains, then its gap between these two bars is 7, okay, first to 8, and till the 7th the water is contained, so 7 into 7 equal to 49. So this is the maximum water contained between any two bars of the given height. And suppose if we see any other example like 2nd to 6, so in this case the height is 6, the minimum height is 6, so always the water will be contained between the 6th. So how much water it can contain? We see the distance is like 6 minus 2 into the minimum height, which is 6, means 4 into 6 equal to 24. So this is the water contained between these two bars, but our answer maximum is 49, so our answer will be 49. So for solving this question, one solution will be using two loops and start calculating the difference between these two, means which is the minimum, and the difference between these two, distance between these two. So this way we can calculate the water contained, and we'll have to keep track of the maximum we found. Like first, suppose we started calculating water contained between these two, which will be 1, because distance is 1, means gap is 1, and the minimum height is 1, so 1. And same way between 0th and the 2nd, the minimum is 1, and distance like gap is 2, so 2 is to 1 equal to 2. And like same way, if we see between first and third, it will be same, 1 into 3. So this will be one approach, but in this case our time complexity will be order of n square, which is kind of not good. So we'll see another approach which has better time complexities compared to this. So we will use two pointer approach for solving this efficiently. So in the two pointer approach, we will have two pointers. One will be pointing I, which is 0 from 0, and suppose the second pointer j, which will be the length, the size of the array. Size of the array is 9, so it will point to 8, and then the last index. So j is pointing at last and I is pointing 0. So we'll start calculating the water content between these two, and we'll store that, suppose in variable answer, initially it is 0, and as we will find our means answer, the maximum water, and we'll start replacing in answer, we'll start storing in answer, we can say. So and in two pointer approach, when we will move I and j, so when any of these two which is smaller, and we'll increase that or decrease j. Like if I is value at ith index is less than the jth, then we'll increase I, otherwise we'll decrease j. So in this case, means we will assume that, like suppose I is 0 and j is 8, okay, j is 8. So water content between these two will be what? The minimum height is 1, because only water till this point only can be stored, and distance and the gap is 8, so 8 into 1 equal to 8, so 8 is the current answer. And as the value at the 0th index is small, means 1 is smaller than 7, value is value is 1 and this is 7, so minimum is 1, so we'll increase j, so j will move to the next step 8. So in this case, if we see the minimum of 8 and 7 is 7, and what is the gap between j and I? This is also 8 minus 1 equal to 7 into 7 equal to 49. So our answer is 49, and so we can replace answer with 49. So in the now I is pointing to 8 and j was pointing to 7. Now in this case 7 is smaller than 8, so we'll decrease j. So now j will point to 3. Now calculate answer, minimum of 8 and 3, because 3 is at 7 index, so 8 and 3 minimum into the gap is 7 minus 1, so 3 into 6 equal to 18. So water content between first and 3 will be this one, which will be 18, but our answer is 49, which is greater than 18, so we'll not replace our answer. Same again, because the 3 is smaller than 8, so we'll decrease j, and now j will point to 8. Okay, so again calculate minimum of 8 comma 8 into j is 6 and I is 1, which minimum 8 into 5, 40. So water content between these 8 and 8 bar will be 40, but we have 49 as our answer, so will not replace our answer. Same way, because both is same, so we can move any pointer. We have moved our pointer I towards the right. So now what will be the answer? Minimum of 6 and 3. Minimum of 6 and 3. So 3 is the minimum, and the gap between these two bar is 7 minus 2, 5. So 3 into 5 equal to 15. So this way we can calculate our answer. I think you got the approach. So now let's see code. So max area is the method which will return the maximum height, and h is the array which has a height. So I have taken two pointer I and j. J pointing to last and I is pointing at 0. Same, if j is 0 means the length is 0, then we'll simply return 0, no need to process. So this is a while loop, so means we will process until j is greater than I. So the same here, if you see answer, which will store our answer, which has been initialized with 0, and in this I am taking the maximum of either answer or j minus 1 into the minimum of the height. So this is to find the difference. The difference means gap between these two bars, and what is the minimum. So product of these two will be our answer, so we'll calculate the maximum this way. And if any of means like if j is greater than, then we'll increase I, otherwise we'll decrease j. So this way we'll calculate our answer and simply return the answer. Okay, thank you.